Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I have a Trader Joe's haul for you today. This haul was $90. I think I'm going to start on this side. Over here I have some Trader Joe's yogurt, like tubes, like kind of like Go-Gurts. And there are 4 cherry and 4 berry. I love throwing these in the freezer and then throwing them right in like my little cooler bag in the morning if we're headed out for the day because they thaw out pretty quickly. I got some of the sparkling limeade. I also got some sparkling pink lemonade and then some apple cider as well. Love apple cider, and these sparkling drinks have been really good, all the ones I've tried before. They're good on their own over ice, and of course as like an adult beverage mixed with some kind of liquor, they're really good. I got some grape tomatoes, the mini pearls, mini pearl grape tomatoes. I got some strawberries. I was almost completely out of my everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend, so I got that. I also got the chili lime. I grabbed some grilled artichoke halves to have on hand for salads, or even just like a spinach artichoke dip type of thing. I grabbed one of these little snack packs to throw in my husband's lunch. It's salami and provolone. I got my favorite green beans, the French style skinny green beans, the haricots verts. This is a 24-ounce bag, so it does last me a good long while. I got some Trader Joe's Crunch collection, which is kale, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, green cabbage, and red cabbage to saute up as a side. I really like having this for breakfast as well. I got the 50% less salt dry roasted almonds, which are really good for snacking, and I'm going to make little snack bags up along with some banana chips. Matt's favorite granola bars from there, which are the vanilla almond, chewy, coated, and drizzled granola bars. He loves those. I got some little potato stick kind of chips, some pinto beans, and some black beans because I need to replace both in my pantry cabinet. I got some celery hearts all ready to go, some cauliflower, which I'm going to roast up. This is a pretty large head, so I'll be able to get like 2 side dishes out of it. The banana chips, like I mentioned. I got some frozen broccoli florets because I want to do a broccoli casserole. I think I have a video on that. I'll link it below. I can't remember if I filmed one a while back. I got a couple birthday cards. I have a girlfriend who has a birthday coming up the end of August and one in the beginning of September. And I think I've mentioned all their cards are 99 cents, and they have really cute cards. So if you do need cards, I would highly recommend getting them there. Some Swiss cheese for my husband's sandwiches, a couple sweet peppers. I did have 4 kiwis. One must have escaped, but there are supposed to be 4, but there's 3 kiwis here. 2 large pears, 3 large bananas. I think there's only 3 of them here. I got some spring mix here, which is just the baby lettuces and greens. I got a honey walnut shrimp to restock my freezer because I used one last week. I got some croissants for either sandwiches or breakfast sandwiches. A big bag of frozen mango chunks. I'm actually going to try seeing how these are not only in smoothies but just to snack on as well. I got some braise salami for little snack bags that I can put with crackers and cheese. I got some crumbled Mediterranean herbed feta cheese for salads, or even just to top different things with. And then lastly, I got some lightly salted edamame. And yeah, everything here was $90. It was very crowded when we went. And I also went with my girlfriend and her 3 kids and Grady, so I was a bit distracted between just being with a bunch of people and it was crowded in there. And we had already a long day in the morning with the kids, so I really did forget a few things, but it's okay. Because once Grady goes back to school in September, I do plan to go and do a larger Trader Joe's haul each month. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing it. I'm going to share with you now my meal plan for the upcoming week. Hey guys, meal plan for the week, Sunday the 19th through Saturday, I think it's the 25th. This Sunday the 19th, I'm actually going to my mom's house for dinner. My brother has off, and it's a rare occasion that I can catch him when he's at my mom's. So me and Matt and Grady are going to go to my mom's for dinner on Sunday. I'm going to try and remind myself to bring my camera so I can film whatever we have there, which will most likely be pasta sauce, salad, bread, kind of the usual Sunday dinner. I did originally have taco salads on here, but I actually made those last week. So I crossed that off. And instead I'm gonna do some pork carnitas tacos. I actually picked this, I got this Terrapin Farms carnitas simmer sauce. So I'm gonna do like a pork butt in the crock pot. And then shred it up like pulled pork style and get some soft taco tortillas and do like soft tacos, and I'll make like a bunch of different garnishes to go on top. And then with that, I'm gonna do some of the yellow rice. So that is what I'm gonna do instead of the taco salads. Another night we're gonna do some grilled pork chops because I have some pork chops I need to use up in the freezer. So we're gonna grill those. I'll make some rice pilaf and then some of the Trader Joe's green beans. I actually found a bag of tortellini in my deep freezer. I just cleaned it out. If you guys wanna see a video on like freezer and fridge organization, let me know, because I was thinking about maybe doing one in the fall next month. Anyways, I have to use some tortellini up. So I'm going to use up a little pesto that I have left and then kill 2 birds with 1 stone by using 2 things up. I'm going to make some roasted cauliflower on the side. I'm going to do for my meatless night, I'm going to do a veggie quiche. I believe I have 1 or 2 quiche videos I filmed in the past, so I'll link those below. And I'm also going to do homemade cream of broccoli soup, and I have a little note so I can freeze some, so I'll try and do a little bit, maybe like a double batch and then freeze some. And I do have a video on my cream of broccoli soup. I'll link that below. One night I'm going to do a whole chicken in the crock pot with some mashed potatoes, a salad, and some kind of veggie. I have a video on this as well, which I'll link below. And then of course I have my breakfast / leftover kind of freebie night. And actually this week that we're in now, my freebie night I used to make the taco salads, which is why I crossed it off here. Anyways, this is the meal plan for next week. Sort of easy and simple because now that my son is out of summer camp, our days are very, very busy. We're pretty much gone from like 9 o'clock in the morning till 4 o'clock in the afternoon every day because I want to give him as much fun activity as I can for the next few weeks until school starts. As always, I'll have my review for this planner linked down below. I have a permanent discount code. I hope you guys all enjoy your weekend. I have a bonus video going up Saturday, and then I will see you back with a normal video. It's actually a what's for dinner video on Monday. Bye guys.